Hello everyone, welcome to the programming in C class. In this series of learning C programming, till now we have discussed about what is an array and the types of array we have discussed, and how to use array constants and string constants. That's we have discussed in the previous videos. In this video we will discuss about string. What is a string, how to access the string functions, and then string functions can be what are the string functions we are having, that we will see in this video. Let us start with the definition of the string. What is a string? Okay, the string is a sequence of characters that is treated as a single data item, or a string is a collection of a character. Okay, so string you can consider like a sequence of character. Of course, the string itself is in a sequence of characters 1 2 3 4 like this is what we call it as a string, or a string is a collection of characters also you can say. String is also called as an string is also string is also called as an what? String is also called as an array of character. Array is nothing but set of homogeneous characters. Then here why we are using like array of characters? The each are the character sets only. It is a character set, so that's why we may call it as a array of character also. A string must access by percentage. The access specifier is what? Percentage. Whereas for integer, percent d. For float, percent f. For character, percent p. Similarly, we are using percent c. Character for character we are having a percent c, and similarly for string we are using a percent s access specifier. In C either or C++ also, a string is always terminated with a null character. This is what a null character were represented. For example, you have a Gavrav, right? Gavrav is a string. Then end of the string we identify with this null character. A string is always recognized in a double quotes. Always we represent a string in a double quote. String also consider space as a character. So you can write like this also, like Gaurav Arora. The Gaurav space Arora, including a space, it considers space also it considers as a one character. So while representation of a string, right? So how do we represent this Gaurav in the sense? For example, we will represent it because as the definition we said that it's a array, right? So that it will be like this. Right? It will be represented like G, A, right? U and R, and then A, and then you are having a V. Then last character is a null character we are having. This is what the particularly we are having as an particularly we consider as an the string, right? Whereas it is represented. Suppose if you use in between as a one character as a blank or a space, then for a space we are sorry, okay, right? For a space also it considers as a one character. Space also it considers as a, for example, I'll put it here only. Okay, so it will be like this. Right, each character will divide in this way. Okay, and then even space also will be considered one position like this, right? Each character will represent in this way, and the end of the character will be null, so that is also one character we consider. So this is what a string we can see that can be represented as a array only. The above string contains 12 characters. In this one we are using a 12 characters. So we can access a string with char, a or 20. Like this also you can define, right? Here is an example. Write a C program to accept the complete string as a first name and last name and display it. Just we are writing as in a program to accept the first name and last name of the particular. So for example, I am using here str, right? I am using like we are going to be using like a percentage, and then puts is a function like a to print the string. So that's why we are using preprocessor like a header file as a hash include stdio.h. For stdio.h we are using for a printer standard input output. Conio is for console input output, and this string is for to use the string functions. Here puts and puts is a string function which we are using to display the string written in that, right? So that it is going to be doing. So for that purpose we are using as a string.h. In this program, the main starts execution from the main, then declaration part, that is char string 1 of 20 and string 2 of 20. Then first name I am reading as a %s while to read we are using, then ampersand %s to read the name of the like person, right? And then we are using like a last name of the person, that is what you can use it in a string 2, so which you can use it to display either of the form. This is yes unformatted output statement, so either you can use it for formatted output statement also. Okay, declaring an and initializing a string variable. How to declare and initialize the string variables? C does not support the string as a data type. Okay, there is no data type for a string, but it uses char as a data type. However, it allows us to represent a string as a character array in a C. Therefore, the string variable is any valid C variable name is always declared as an array of characters. Always we are declaring char we can use, but it must be an array of a character. So that's why always there must be size, then only you can make it as a string, otherwise you cannot, right? The general form of the declaration of a string variable is syntax. General syntax ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ char string ಅಂದಾಗ of course it you are using type as a char only. Then name of the string, it is a user defined. ಇದು ಯೂಸರ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್, ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಆ ಥರ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ದ string, for that purpose you can use it. The size determines the number of characters in a string. Okay, one string alli ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದೆ size. And then some examples are as follows. For example, char city 10, there are 10 characters in a city, and then name consists of 30, right? C permits a character array initializing either of the following. See, characters you can initialize either of like a in this way or in double quote you can use it, or else you can use it like a single quote also. So this indicates like a string because last element will be understood as a termination of the set of sequences. Either of the form you can declare. Then input and output of a string. How can we use the input? This is to instruct the ಕಂಪೈಲರ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗೇನು, ಎಸ್ ಕಂಪೈಲರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿಸ್ stdio.h. ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೈಲರ್ ಟು ಫೆಚ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲೆಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ. ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿಲಿಂದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ, each program that uses the standard input output function must be contain the statement from this like standard input output in the sense stdio.h. At the beginning, right, at the beginning we are using like we are going to be using at the beginning we are using so you can consider. However, there might be exception. For example, there is not necessary for a function printf and scanf which have been defined as a part of C language. Always ಇದು ನಾವು printf scanf functions ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. And then we are already discussed in the earlier classes string IO functions, that are the standard input output functions discuss ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ formatted and unformatted input output functions we have discussed it. These are the unformatted input output functions which help us to perform the string functions. that is get char, put char. Character, read the character and print the character. Get s and put s, reading the character and printing the character. Printf and scanf functions are, yes, are the standard input output functions to read the elements and to print the elements. Hope you understood with this what is a string and how. So let us test with the C programming, then how we can perform with the programming in the C. The string can be performed. See here we are using like examples. Okay, here is one example. I am using a string as a theta, right? So what we have declared, char C is a string, right? String constant where initialized theta. Why it is only possible when character array. If you are using, see, suppose I am not using a array, then what does it print? Okay, see, control F9. Sorry. Like if you are using, if you don't want to use an array, then I'll make it simple character, printing a simple character, right? To print a simple character, %c backslash of t, then just you should use a c, right? So then what it must display? It display like a, okay, character constant always must be in a single quote, right? Single character constants always must be in a single quote. See, character constant must be one or two long strings. The expression syntax error we are getting, right? So why? Because the characters, we can have a group of characters where they are here. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, group of characters ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು declare ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So whereas single character it must consist. Okay, so single character it must consist, otherwise you cannot print the group of characters. This is okay. So let us say yes as a printed. Suppose if you use like more than one character also, what does it print? See, the constant must have too long because single character must be displayed. So make it a string, then you should use like a array. For example, 10 character I should use it. Still it is showing error. Why? Because string characters must be displayed in a double quote, right? It must be represented in a double quote. Okay, now if you wanted to print it, so what does it print? Still it is printing as a single. Why? Because I have used a format specifier %c. What should be the format specifier for a string? Yes, it must be %s, right? So then only it is going to be displayed. Okay, let us check with this example. So you are able to print a yes, h, right? This how you can display. Suppose if I wanted to 1 2 3 4 like separate character, then I can make it for loop, right? So I can use this for loop to print in such a way. See, I can use characters only %c, then I am using instead of, okay. So what is an array? That is c of I will use. Then you can able to see the same output we can get it, because this is a character array. So if you use a %c, then character array should be displayed. If you are using %s, the string, then need not be given this array. So directly you can display. This is what we are using, like a, see, 10 times it displays because in a for loop we have used. This was commented earlier. This we can understand. Instead of this one, if I wanted to use a string function like puts is what? To print the string. So like C I am using, right? So to print this one, what we are using, like you have to use hash include string dot dot h, right? Then it understand it's a string constant as such. So like 9 times it has been displaying, because in a for loop we are displaying this c. So this is how you can use a string and the string functions. The string can be displayed in this format. If it is a formatted input output, so you can display based on your see, one interesting thing for the okay, interesting thing for you are using like a C, that is instead of printf footage I'll use a printf. Okay, I'll show you how it will be displayed. Okay, printf, and then I'll use like double quote percent 3 yes. Okay, so let us check your result, comma, then I use C, okay, and make it complete semicolon. Then what happens? Sorry, let me don't use this format for loop, because I wanted to display it as a single time. Okay, so let the comment this thing SSH as it has been taken, right? So percent 3 yes, like, or else if I use 10 is okay, 10 is I'll use it here, and I will reduce here like a 5 1. Okay, so we'll check it out. See, the difference is what? Okay, now you will identify the difference by one more statement. Printf, I'll use a percent yes double quote complete comma c and particularly semicolon. Okay, so let us observe the result. How does let me use backslash n, because it has to display the new line. See, the first yes, we are able to display like SHHHH continuously after immediately screen, but the second one last it is displaying. What do you mean by this? Okay, so how it is displaying like this? Suppose instead of 10 yes, if I use like a 5 yes, control F9, let us see, then what will be the result? Hope you are understanding. Okay, so what happens in this, okay, in this example, okay, so I'll show with this in the PPTs. Okay, so I'll show you how this is going to be performing. See, suppose if I am using, okay, suppose if I am using particularly like a just percentage, if I use just percent yes, then how it displays? It displays from the left oriented. For example, yes, H, 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 like a 4 characters were used. Suppose if I use percent for you yes, right, then what happened? So it uses 5 characters 1 2 3 4 5, and it started displaying from the last character H, 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 and yes, this was the result which it was displaying. That's why this printf statement is called as a format specifier, like formatted input output statement, because the way you want you can display. So that's the beauty of an printf. Hope you understood. Thank you for watching this video.